Chapter 1, Exercise 1A, Real Numbers, Class 10. Number 5. Using Euclid's division algorithm, state whether the numbers 47 and 149 are co-primes or not. Yanode Euclid's division algorithm ko chakalimangna. Yan number ang 47 aro 149 ara co-prime o among ja uko chekanak tananggen. Co-prime o among ja ko mekim ashigena HCF 1 matna ode co-prime o ani mashigen. Diba HCF 1 manjang ode co-prime ongja ngaba ko answer kana kita nangin skang gabo nga ya 47 chi 149 ne 149 ya 47 chi 149 ko nga divide again that 47 into 3 ka ode bedong ya 3 7s are 21 carry over 2 3 4s are 12 plus 2 is 14 141 Then 149 minus 141 count ode betong iya 8. So the 8 chi 47 count divide kas again. So the 8 5 is 40. So the minus ka de 7. Then 7 chi 8 ko divide kas again. You know 7 ones are 7 minus ka de 1. So the 1 chi 7 ko divide again. You know 1 7s are 7 minus ka de 0. So the remainder 0 uneven as stop kagano. Uneven again using Euclid's division algorithm 149 equal to beta 47 into 3 plus 8 dimana iya line ode 47 equal to 8 into 5 plus 7. Then me yeah line ode 8 is equal to 7 into 1 plus 1. Then yeah line ode 7 is equal to 1 into 7 plus 0. Then inode remainder 0 aha ini mana again since remainder is equal to 0. Remainder 0 ang joko de last ka ba divisor ko check abo last ka ba divisor de 1 ini man HCF pa 1 last ka ba divisor an 1 HCF ang ajok remainder 0 ang joko check achengbo remainder 0 ang joko de last ka ba divisor ko check abo yan HCF. So therefore HCF is 1. So therefore 47 and 149 are co-prime ni siya naman yan. HCF 1 ungjang ade co-prime ungjang wasam diba HCF 1 oni giman 47 and 149 are co-prime. Number 6. Using Euclid's division algorithm, find which of the following pairs of numbers are co-primes. Question number 5 ho gidar ke yaban option aya Euclid's division algorithm ho sakalimana yon so guman number ara co-prime mangja uko chekana gida nanggen HCF 1 ode co-prime ongen HCF 1 manja ode co-prime ongja ni mashigen. Sub number 1 272 1032 that is 1032 ko 272 chi divide again 272 into 3 count ode bedong yana 8 1 6 dimna 12 minus 6 de 6 2 minus 1 de 1 dimna 10 minus 8 de 2 that is 216 chi 272 ko divide kas again that is 216 into 1 code 216 dimna minus kabo 12 minus 6 count ode 6 digimna 6 minus 1 de 5 so de 56 to 216 ko divide again you know de 56 into patong ya 3 times you know de 168 digimna 16 oni 8 yang ode bata dong kia 8 digimna you know de 0 you know ko around de 10 minus 64 that is 48 56 ko divide again that is 48 into 1s are 48 minus kadode betong ya 16 one 8 yang ode 8 dode 8 chi 48 ku revise kas again 8 6 are 48 degimana minus kadode 0 dode using Euclid's division algorithm. Using Euclid's division algorithm, you know that 1032 is equal to divisor there 272 into quotient 3 plus remainder there 216. You know dividend there 272 equal to 216 into 1 plus 56. You know there 216 equal to 56 into 3 plus 48. You know there 56 equal to 48 into 1 plus 8. You know there 48 equal to 8 into 6 plus 0. You know the last kapa divisor de 8 ungia yan HCF. You know the HCF 1 manjenga 8 samans kaya. Ini mana again since HCF is 8, so therefore 272 and 1032 are not co-prime. HCF 1 manjani given 272 and 1032 are not co-prime.